Good morning, class. It's so wonderful to see all of you today. Okay, so I hope you're feeling happy, healthy, and ready to learn. Are you ready to learn? Can I get some virtual reactions if you're ready to learn? Okay, how about others? Okay, I see. Right now, before we start, please unmute yourselves as we begin with a short prayer. Selwyn, please lead us in prayer. Let us all bow our heads.
In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Dear God, thank you for this new day. Please help us be kind, listen well, and do our best in class. Guide our teacher and help us learn new things. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Okay, thank you, Selwyn. Now, let us wake up our minds and bodies through singing and dancing a new song. So, this song is entitled Roll Your Hands Song. Okay, so are you ready to follow along with the song? Are you excited to sing and dance? All right, so please, reminders to turn your camera on and make sure that you're in a quiet and comfortable space where you can move. Okay, and you have to open your microphones as well so that you can sing with the video. Okay, I am now presenting the video. Just follow along and enjoy.
Just like this, shake and just like this, and shake just like this, and roll it. Wiggle down, just like this, just like this, wiggle down, just like this, and roll your head, clap and just like this, clap and just like this, clap and just like this. Royal hands
Okay, great job, everyone. Now, I really hope that you are all energized. Okay, let me present the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so we are done with our prayer, Tower Energizer. Now, before we proceed, let us check who is with us today. So, class secretary, please report to me the names of those who are not around, or is all of the people present in our class today?
There are no absent teacher.
Okay, thank you so much, class secretary. So it's great to see that you're all present today. So let us give ourselves a clap for showing up today. Give yourselves a virtual clap. Okay, so before we officially start, let us go over again our online space rules. So we have a special word to help us remember them. The word is focus. So F is for focus on class only. O is to open your camera as much as possible. C is to chat or raise a hand to answer. And U is to use mute unless you are called to speak or you are speaking. So S is to show kindness and respect to one another. Okay, please give me a thumbs up if you agree to follow these rules. Okay, that's good. And I can see that you are ready to learn today. So before our new lesson, let us do a quick review. Can anyone tell me what did we learn about last time? Selwyn, yes?
It was sight words teacher.
Okay, it was sight words. Thank you so much, Selwyn. Can we give Selwyn a virtual applause? That is right. We learned about sight words, specifically the high frequency sight words. So let us all read these words together again as I present it to you. Okay, can we all read it together? Please open your microphones.
Okay,
Okay,
three,
three,
two,
two,
one.
one.
And
And
And work,
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 food,
food, play,
play,
sun,
and
cold, winter,
winter,
kind.
kind.
okay,
okay,
thank you
thank you
so
so
much,
much,
everyone.
everyone.
Very
Very
good.
good. So
I
I
want
want
you to
you to
hold
hold
on
on
to
to
these
these
words
words
because
because
we will
we
see
will
them
see them
again in
again in
our
our
storytelling
storytelling
activity.
activity.
Okay, are
Okay,
you
are you
excited for
excited
our
for our
storytelling
storytelling
activity? Can
activity?
I
Can
get
I
some
get some
virtual
virtual
reactions?
reactions?
Okay,
Okay,
that's
that's
good.
good.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
before we
before we
proceed
proceed
to
to
our
our
topic
topic
of
of
our
our
lesson,
lesson,
I
I
have
have
here an
here an
activity
activity
and
and
it
it
is
is
called the
called the
picture
picture
analysis.
analysis.
So at
So at
this
this
time,
time,
I
I
want you
want
to
you to
look
look
carefully
carefully
at
at
the
the
pictures
pictures
or the
or the
picture
picture
in
in
your
your
screen.
screen.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
in
in
this
this
picture,
picture,
what
what
animals do
animals
you
do you
see?
see?
Anyone?
Anyone?
Okay,
Okay,
Selwyn.
Selwyn.
I see ant and grasshopper.
Okay,
Okay,
you
you
saw an
saw an
ant
ant
and
and
a
a
grasshopper.
grasshopper.
How
How
about
about
Anna? Do
Anna?
you
Do you
see
see
any
any
other
other
animals?
animals in the picture?
No more picture.
Okay,
Okay,
no
no
worries.
more.
Just
Just
the
the
ant
ant
and the
and the
grasshopper
grasshopper
in
in
the
the
picture.
picture.
Okay,
Okay,
next
next
question
question
and
and
observation for
observation
you
for
to
you to
do.
do.
What is
What
the
is the
ant
ant
doing
doing
based on
based
the
on the
picture?
picture?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna?
Anna?
The ant is carrying food.
Yes, the
Yes, the
ant is
ant is
carrying
carrying
food. That's
food.
right.
That's right.
How
How
about
about
the
the
grasshopper? What
grasshopper?
is the
What is the
grasshopper
grasshopper
doing in
doing
the
in the
picture?
picture?
Yes,
Yes,
Selwyn.
Selwyn.
The grasshopper is playing the guitar while singing.
Okay, the
Okay, the
grasshopper
grasshopper
is
is
sitting
sitting
down
down
and
and
singing and
singing and
playing the
playing the
guitar.
guitar.
Very
Very
great
great
observation.
observations.
Now,
Now,
which
which
one do
one
you
do you
think
think
between the
between the
ant and
ant
the
and the
grasshopper
grasshopper
is
is
being
being
responsible?
responsible?
Any
Any
answer?
answers?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna.
Anna.
The ant,
The
The
ant. Why
ant.
do you
Why do
think
you think
so?
so?
Why do you
Why do
think
you
the
because
think the
ant is
ant
being
is being
responsible?
responsible?
the ant is carrying food.
Okay,
Okay,
because the
because the
ant is
ant is
carrying
carrying
food
food
while the
while the
grasshopper
grasshopper
is
is
doing
doing
what?
what?
The grasshopper is just playing a guitar and singing.
Yes, the
Yes, the
grasshopper is
grasshopper is
just
just
sitting
sitting
down
down
and
and
singing.
singing.
That's
That's
right.
right.
Okay,
Okay,
now,
now,
why do
why
you
do you
think it
think
is
it is
important to
important to
work
work
hard
hard
and
and
prepare
prepare
or to
or
do
to do
hard
hard
work
work
than just
than
by
just by
sitting
sitting
down and
down and
singing?
singing?
Yes,
Yes,
Selwyn.
Alwin.
I think the we should work hard so that we will not go hungry. We will
That's
not
That's
right.
starve.
Yes, we
yes, we
must work
must work
hard and
hard and
prepare so
prepare
that
so that
we won't
we
get
won't get
hungry
hungry
or we
or we
should
should
prepare
prepare
ourselves for
ourselves for
something. That's
something.
right.
That's right.
That
That
I
I
love
love
all
all
your
your
wonderful
wonderful
ideas
ideas
and
and
very good
very good
observations.
observations.
Now,
Now,
with
with
that,
that,
we are
we are
going to
going to
read a
read a
fable
fable
about
about
the
the
ant
ant
and
and
the
the
grasshopper. So
grasshopper. So
it's
it's
storytelling
storytelling
time. Are
time.
you
Are you
excited?
excited?
Can I
Can
get
I
some
get some
virtual
virtual
reaction?
reactions?
Okay, I
Okay, I
see that
see that
everyone is
everyone is
excited.
excited.
Now,
Now,
so
so
I will
I will
read a
read a
fable.
fable.
So
So
remember that
remember
a
that a
fable is
fable
a
is a
short
short
story
story
that
that
teaches us
teaches
an
us an
important
important
lesson.
lesson.
So let
So
us
let us
find out
find
what
out what
happens to
happens to
each of
each of
them,
them,
the
the
ant and
ant
the
and the
grasshopper,
grasshopper,
and what
and what
lesson
lesson
we
will we
learn
learn
from
from
the
the
story.
story.
So
So
this
this
story
story
again is
again is
entitled
entitled
The
The
Ant
Ant
and
and
the
the
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
one
one
warm
warm
sunny
sunny
day,
day,
the
the
ant
ant
was
was
busy
busy
carrying
carrying
food
food
to
to
his
his
home.
home.
Okay,
Okay,
what
what
happened
happened
one
one
warm
warm
sunny day?
sunny day?
Any
Any
answer?
answers?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna.
Anna.
The ant was busy carrying food to his home.
Okay, the
Okay, the
ant was
ant was
busy
busy
carrying
carrying
home.
home.
So when
So
was
when
the
was the
ant
ant
busy
busy
carrying
carrying
food to
food
his
to his
home?
home?
When was
When
it?
was it?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna.
Anna again.
Sa- a, sa- a warm sunny day.
Okay, one warm sunny day. Very good. Can we give Anna a virtual applause? Okay, now he worked hard because he wanted to be ready for winter. Okay, why does the ant working hard? Why was the ant working hard? What does he wanted to do? Yes, Alwin.
Because he wanted to be ready for winter.
That's right. Let's give Alwin a virtual applause. Next, let's find out what happened. Nearby, the grasshopper was jumping, singing, and playing in the field. Okay, who was nearby? Who was nearby the ant while he was carrying food? Yes, Alwin.
The grasshopper.
Okay, the grasshopper. What was the grasshopper doing?
The grasshopper was playing around and he called the ant.
Okay, he was playing around. Okay, then when the grasshopper or the ant saw each other, he laughed at the ant and said, "Come play with me." But the ant kept on working. Okay, so what did the grasshopper do to the ant? What did the grasshopper told the ant? Any hand? Yes, Anna.
The grasshopper told the ant, "Come play with me," but the ant kept working.
Okay, so the ant kept on working. So even though the grasshopper was laughing at the ant already because he keeps on working. Now, the next day, the ant was still gathering food. He carried leaves and grains back to his home. So what happened the next day? What was the ant doing? Any answers? Yes, Alvin?
He still carried he's still gathering food. He carried leaves and grains back to his home.
Okay, he's still carrying food back to his home. Now, the grasshopper went to the river, rested in the shade, and enjoyed the nice weather. He did not think about winter at all. So, what was the grasshopper doing while the ant was carrying food to his home? What was the grasshopper doing? Anyone? Yes, Alwin.
The grasshopper was just resting in the shade and enjoyed the nice weather.
That's right, he was just enjoying the nice weather and doing nothing. Did the grasshopper think about the winter at all? Any answers? Okay, thumbs up or thumbs down? That's right, thumbs down. He did not think about the winter at all. Now, after many days, the weather changed. Cold winds blew, and the snow was covering the ground. Okay, what happened many days after when the weather changed? What was happening to the ground? Yes, Alwin.
The weather changed. It became winter.
Okay, the weather changed
Became
and became
cold.
winter. What happened to the ground? It was?
Covered in snow.
Yes, it was covered in snow. Now, the grasshopper looked for food, but he could not find any. He felt hungry and cold. Okay, what was the grasshopper looking? What was the grasshopper looking for? Anna? Yes.
The grasshopper was looking for food.
Did he find any food, Anna?
No, he did not.
Okay, what was he feeling at that time? During winter.
He felt hungry and cold.
He felt hungry and cold. Thank you very much. Now, when the ant saw the grasshopper, he felt sorry for him. So, what did the ant felt when he saw the grasshopper outside feeling cold? He felt? Yes, Alvin?
He felt sorry for him.
He felt sorry for him. Now, the ant invited the grasshopper inside his warm home. And he shared some food. Okay, what did the ant do when he saw the grasshopper? Yes, Anna?
The ant invited the grasshopper inside his warm home and shared some food.
Great answer. That's right. The ant invited the grasshopper inside his warm home and also shared his food. What a kind ant, right? Next,
the
the
grasshopper
grasshopper
thanked
thanked
the
the
ant
ant
and
and
learned
learned
to
to
work
work
first
first
before
before
playing.
playing.
Okay,
Okay,
what
what
did the
did the
grasshopper
grasshopper
do
do
after
after
he
he
received
received
food
food
from the
from the
ant?
ant?
He
He
answered,
answered,
Salvin,
Salvin,
he
He thanked the ant
he
and
thanked
thanked
learned
the
the
to
ant.
ant.
work first
Okay,
Okay,
so
before
so
what was
what
the
was the
playing.
lesson?
lesson?
What was
What
the
was the
lesson
lesson
said at
said
the
at the
last
last
line?
line?
Any
Learn
answers?
to work first before playing.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you
thank you
very
very
much,
much,
Salvin.
Salvin,
And
and
Anna, give
Anna. Give
yourself
yourself
a
a
virtual
virtual
applause.
applause.
So at
So
the
at the
end of
end
the
of the
story,
story,
the
the
grasshopper
grasshopper
learned
learned
to
to
work
work
first
first
before
before
playing.
playing.
Okay,
Okay, I
love
love
that
that
how
how
you
you
listen to
listen to
me,
me,
and
and
thank you
thank you
so much
so much
for
for
answering
answering
and
and
responding
responding
to
to
each of
each
the
of the
questions.
questions.
So
So
let
let
us
us
now
now
explore the
explore the
story
story
more
more
carefully.
carefully.
So
So
now that
now
we've
that we've
finished the
finished the
story,
story,
I will
I will
ask
ask
some
some
deeper
deeper
questions
questions
through
through
our
our
activity.
activity.
So,
So, this is the
let's
let's
explore the
explore the
story
story
activity
activity
while
while
we
we
fill
fill
in the
in the
story
story
elements
elements
chart. So
chart.
as
So
we
as we
dig
dig
deeper with
deeper
our
with our
story,
story,
let us
let
go
us go
through
through
interactive
interactive
rounds
rounds
while
while
filling
filling
in
in
our
our
story
story
elements chart.
elements
So
chart.
this
So
is
this
our
is our
story
story
elements chart.
elements chart.
So
So
the
the
first
first
question is,
question is,
what was
what
the
was the
title of the
title of the
story
story
again?
again?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna.
Anna.
The ant and the grasshopper.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
let's
check.
check.
That's
That's
right.
right.
Let's give
Let's give
Anna a
Anna a
virtual
virtual
applause.
applause.
The
The
ant
ant
and the
and the
grasshopper.
grasshopper.
Now
Now
let's
let's
start
start
officially with
officially with
our
our
round
round
one.
one.
So we
So we
have to
have to
answer the
answer the
question,
question,
who
who
am
am
I?
I?
So who
So
is
who
this
is this
character?
character?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna.
Anna.
The ant.
Okay,
Okay,
this
this
is
is
the
the
and
and
that's
that's
right.
right.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you,
thank you,
Anna.
Anna.
Let's give
Let's give
Anna a
Anna a
virtual
virtual
applause.
applause.
How
How
about
about
this
this
picture? Who
picture?
is
Who
this
is this
character?
character?
Yes,
Yes,
Selwyn.
Selwyn.
That is the grasshopper.
Okay,
Okay,
that is
that
the
is the
grasshopper.
grasshopper.
Now,
Now,
my
my
question
question
is,
is,
let's
let's
give
give
Selwyn a
Selwyn a
virtual
virtual
applause
applause
again.
again.
So,
So,
what
what
one
one
word
word
describes
describes
ant
ant
the
the
best?
best?
How would you
How would you
describe
describe
ant?
ant?
Okay,
Okay,
yes,
yes,
Anna.
Anna.
He is preparing a food for a disaster or the winter.
Okay,
Okay,
how would
how
you
would you
describe
describe
his
his
character?
character?
The ant is responsible.
Okay, the
The
ant
ant
is
is
responsible. What a
responsible.
great
Great
answer.
answer.
Let's give
Let's give
Anna a
Anna a
virtual
virtual
applause.
applause.
Now,
Now,
how
how
about
about
the
the
grasshopper?
grasshopper?
How would
How
you
would you
describe the
describe the
grasshopper in
grasshopper
the
in the
story?
story?
Yes,
Yes,
Selwyn.
Selwyn.
The grasshopper is very lazy.
Okay, the
Okay, the
grasshopper
grasshopper
was
was
very
very
lazy.
lazy.
Is
Is
there
there
any
any
other
other
word that
word
would
that would
describe the
describe the
grasshopper?
grasshopper?
No?
Mm,
No.
no, I don't think so. Very playful.
Okay,
Okay,
very
very
playful. That
playful.
is
That is
also a
also a
good
good
answer.
answer.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you
thank you
very
very
much,
much,
Selwyn.
Selwyn.
Let's
Let's
give
give
Selwyn a
Selwyn a
virtual
virtual
applause.
applause.
Now,
Now,
you
you
just
just
identified
identified
our
our
characters.
characters.
So the
So the
ant and
ant
the
and the
grasshopper
grasshopper
are
are
both
both
characters
characters
from
from
this
this
story.
story.
So
So
let
let
us
us
fill
fill
in
in
our
our
story
story
elements
elements
charts chart.
chart.
So
So
our
our
characters
characters
are
are
the
the
ant
ant
and
and
the
the
grasshopper.
grasshopper.
So
So
the
the
ant
ant
was a
was a
hard-working
hardworking
and
and
responsible
responsible
character,
character,
while the
while the
grasshopper
grasshopper
was the
was the
playful
playful
and
and
lazy
lazy
character.
character.
Okay,
Okay,
did
did
you
you
understand?
understand?
Do you
Do you
recognize
recognize
that
that
those are
those are
our
our
characters?
characters?
Okay,
Okay,
that's
that's
good.
good.
Now
Now
let's
let's
answer the
answer the
question
question,
where
where
and
and
when.
when?
For
For
first
first
question,
question,
which
which
picture
picture
shows
shows
the
the
beginning of
beginning
the
of the
story?
story?
Is it
Is
the
it the
picture
picture
on
on
the
the
left,
left,
the
the
picture on
picture
the
on the
right,
right,
the
the
first
first
picture,
picture,
or the
or the
second
second
picture?
picture?
Any
Any
answers?
answers? Yes,
Selwyn,
Selwyn.
The first one,
the
The
first one.
first one.
Can you
Can you
describe the
describe the
picture?
picture?
the ant collecting food in the warm summer.
Okay,
Okay,
that's
that's
right.
right.
The
The
story
story
begins
begins
during
during
a
a
warm
warm
and
and
sunny
sunny
day.
day.
Okay,
Okay,
how
how
about
about
which
which
picture
picture
shows
shows
the
the
end of
end
the
of the
story?
story?
Any
Any
hand?
hand?
Which
Which
picture
picture
shows
shows
the
the
end
end
of the
of the
story?
story?
Anna?
Anna?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna.
Anna.
The second second picture shows the end of the story.
Okay,
Why
why
do
do you
you
think
think
so?
so?
Because
Because
what
Because
does
it's
the picture
already
have?
winter.
Okay,
okay,
so
so
the
the
story,
story,
thank you
thank you
so
so
much,
much,
Anna.
Anna.
Let's
Let's
give
give
Anna
Anna
and
and
Selwyn
Selwyn
a
a
virtual
virtual
applause.
applause.
So
So
the
the
story
story
ends
ends
in
in
the
the
cold
cold
winter.
winter.
And
And
that
that
is
is
the
the
setting
setting
of
of
our
our
story.
story.
So
So
let
let
us
us fill it
in
in
our
our
story
story
elements
elements
chart.
chart.
So
So
the
the
setting
setting
is
is
where
where
answers
answers
the
the
question
question
where.
where.
So
So
the
the
story
story
happened
happened
in
in
the
the
fields
fields
and
and
in
in
the
the
ants'
ants'
home.
home.
Am
Am
I
I
right?
right?
Did
Did
you
you
remember
remember
that
that
the
the
story
story
happened
happened
in the
in the
field
field
and
and
in
in
the
the
ants'
ants'
home?
home?
Okay,
Okay,
that's
that's
good.
good.
And
And
it
it
also
also
answers
answers
the
the
question
question
when.
when.
So
So
the
the
story
story
happens
happens
from
from
summer
summer
to
to
winter.
winter.
Okay, I
Okay, I
hope you
hope you
understand.
understand.
Now
Now
let's
let's
answer
answer
the
the
question
question
what
what
happened?
happened?
Okay,
Okay,
now
now
I
I
want
want
you
you
to
to
read
read
those
those
events
events
and I
and I
want you
want you
to
to
identify
identify
which
which
event
event
comes
comes
first,
first,
second,
second,
third,
third,
and
and
last.
last.
Okay.
Okay.
Does
Does
anyone
anyone
want
wants
to
to
try?
try?
Which
Which
of
of
the
the
events?
events?
Go
Go
first.
first.
Okay,
Okay,
go
go
Anna.
Anna.
The first one comes first. The ant
Wait,
worked
can you
hard
read the
storing
line?
food. The grasshopper laughed and played.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
let's
check
check
if
if
you're
you're
right.
right.
That's
That's
right.
right.
So
So
the
the
first
first
event
event
is
is
where
where
the
the
ant
ant
worked
worked
hard
hard
storing
storing
food
food
and the
and the
grasshopper
grasshopper
just
just
laughed
laughed
and
and
played.
played.
Okay,
Okay,
how
how
about
about
the
the
second
second
event?
event?
Which
Which
of
of
the
the
three
three? Which
among
among
the
the
three
three
is
is
the
the
second
second
event?
event?
Okay,
Okay,
yes,
yes,
Selwyn.
Selwyn.
The autumn passed. The grasshopper still did not prepare.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
let's
check.
check.
Okay,
Okay,
you're
you're
right,
right,
Selwyn.
Selwyn.
So
So
days
days
passed.
passed.
The
The
grasshopper
grasshopper
still
still
did
did
not
not
prepare.
prepare.
How
How
about the
about the
third
third
event?
event?
Which
Which
event
event
comes
comes
next?
next?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna.
Anna.
Winter came. The grasshopper was cold and hungry.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
let's
check.
check.
Yes,
Yes,
winter
winter
came.
came.
You're
You're
right,
right,
Anna.
Anna.
Winter
Winter
came and
came
the
and the
grasshopper
grasshopper
was
was
cold
cold
and
and
hungry.
hungry.
And of
And of
course,
course,
for
for
our
our
last
last
event,
event,
the
the
grasshopper
grasshopper
begged
begged
for
for
food
food
and
and
the
the
ant
ant
shared
shared
a
a
little.
little.
So
So
perfect.
perfect.
The
The
ant
ant
showed
showed
kindness
kindness
and
and
shared
shared
his
his
food.
food.
Now,
Now,
those
those
are
are
the
the
important
important
events
events
that
that
happened in
happened
the
in the
story,
story,
and
and
those
those
are
are
the
the
sequence of
sequence of
events.
events.
So
So
let
let
us
us
put
put
it in
it in
our
our
story
story
elements
elements
chart.
chart.
Okay,
Okay,
so I
so I
won't
won't
read
read
it
it
again
again
because you
because you
already
already
arranged
arranged
and
and
read
read
them.
them,
Okay.
okay?
Now
Now
let's
let's
answer the
answer the
question.
question,
What
what
did
did
we
we
learn?
learn?
Okay,
Okay,
so I
so I
have
have
here
here
three
three
questions.
questions.
For the
For the
first
first
question,
question,
just
just
raise your
raise your
hand if
hand
you
if you
want to
want to
answer.
answer.
Have you
Have you
experienced
experienced
being
being
prepared for
prepared for
something?
something?
And
And
how did
how
it
did it
feel?
feel?
Any
Any
hand?
hand?
Anna, do
Anna,
you
do you
want
want
to
to
answer?
answer?
You are
You are
raising
raising
your
your
hand.
hand.
Okay,
Okay,
yes,
yes,
Selwyn.
Selwyn.
Uh, yes, I have experienced being prepared for something. I prepared for this class. I woke
Maybe
up
you are.
early and I
Okay.
Okay.
felt very excited.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
Selwyn
Selwyn
shared
shared
that
that
he
he
experienced
experienced
preparing for
preparing
the
for the
class.
class.
So
So
now
now
he
he
felt
felt
excited. So
excited. So
when we
when we
prepare,
prepare,
we
we
feel
feel
excited
excited
because we
because we
are
are
ready,
ready,
right?
right?
Okay,
Okay,
very
very
good,
good,
Selwyn.
Selwyn.
Let's
Let's
give
give
Selwyn
Selwyn
a
a
virtual
virtual
applause.
applause.
Now, the
Now, the
second
second
question,
question,
what
what
value
value
or
or
character
character
did
did
the
the
ant
ant
show
show
throughout the
throughout the
story?
story?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna.
Anna.
Hard work and responsibility.
Okay, the
Okay, the
ant
ant
showed
showed
hard work
hard work
and
and
responsibility.
responsibility.
That's a
That's a
great
great
observation.
observation.
Okay,
Okay,
how
how
about the
about the
third
third
question?
question?
Okay, put
Okay,
your
put your
hands
hands
down,
down,
Anna.
Anna.
What
What
can we
can we
learn
learn
from the
from the
grasshopper's
grasshopper's
mistake?
mistake?
Any
Any
answer?
answer?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna.
Anna.
Think about the future and avoid being lazy.
Okay,
Okay,
that's
that's
right. We
right. We
must
must
think
think
about the
about the
future and
future and
prepare
prepare
about the
about the
future,
future,
and we
and we
shouldn't
shouldn't
be
be
lazy to
lazy to
prepare
prepare
ourselves.
ourselves.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
let's
give
give
Anna a
Anna a
virtual
virtual
applause.
applause.
Very
Very
good,
good,
everyone.
everyone.
You
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 have
have
answered the
answered the
question
question very well, and you just analyzed the story. So let us fill in our story elements chart. So we learned the value of hard work, responsibility, kindness, and preparedness.
Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Now,
let
let
us
us
put
put
everything
everything
we
we
learned
learned
together.
together.
So,
So,
what
what
are
are
the
the
important
important
things
things
we
we
look
look
for
for
when
when
we
we
read a
read a
story?
story?
So,
So,
this
this
is
is the
this
this
is
is
our
our
topic
topic
today:
today,
the
the
story
story
elements
elements
and
and
sequence of
sequence of
events.
events.
So, I
So I
want
want
you
you
to
to
listen
listen
carefully,
carefully,
okay?
okay?
Because
Because
we
we
will
will
have
have
a
a
quiz
quiz
later.
later.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
So,
first
first
one
one
to
to
first
first
important
important
thing that
thing
we
that we
look
look
for
for
in a
in a
story
story
or
or
when
when
we
we
read a
read a
story
story
are
are
the
the
characters.
characters.
So,
So
what are
what are
characters?
characters?
Characters
Characters
are
are
people
people
or
or
animals in
animals
the
in the
story.
story.
They
They
make
make
the
the
event
events
happen.
happen.
So,
So
because of
because
the
of the
characters,
characters,
there
there
is a
is a
story
story
happening.
happening.
For
For
example,
example,
in the
in the
story,
story,
in
in
our
our
story that
story
we
that we
read
read
earlier,
earlier,
the
the
characters
characters
are
are
the
the
ant
ant
and
and
the
the
grasshopper.
grasshopper.
Okay,
Okay,
did you
did you
recognize it?
recognize
Do
it?
you
Do you
agree
agree
that the
that the
characters from
characters
the
from the
story
story
is the
is
ant
the
and
ant
the
and the
grasshopper?
grasshopper?
Okay,
Okay,
that's
that's
good.
good.
Now,
Now,
next
next
is
is
the
the
setting.
setting.
Setting
Setting
tells us
tells us
where
where
and
and
when the
when the
story
story
takes
takes
place.
place.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
this is
this is
very
very
important.
important.
So,
So,
for
for
example,
example,
in the
in the
story
story
that
that
we
we
read,
read,
it
it
answers
answers
the
the
where
where
in the
in the
story.
story.
It
It
answers
answers
the
the
question
question
where.
where.
Where
Where
does the
does the
story
story
take
take
place?
place?
So,
So,
based on
based on
our
our
example
example
story,
story,
the
the
story
story
took
took
place
place
in a
in a
field
field
and
and
the
the
ant
ants
home.
home.
So the
So the
setting
setting
as
as
well
well
answers
answers
the
the
question
question
when.
when.
So
So
when
when
does
does
the
the
story
story
happen?
happen?
So the
So the
story
story
happened
happened
from
from
summer
summer
through
through
winter.
winter.
Am I
Am I
right?
right?
Did you
Did you
follow
follow
that
that
from the
from the
story?
story?
Okay.
Okay.
Next
Next
is
is
the
the
events.
events.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
events
events
are
are
the
the
important
important
things
things
that
that
happen
happen
in the
in the
story.
story.
Stories
Stories
have
have
beginning,
beginning,
middle,
middle,
and
and
end.
end.
And
And
it
it
helps us
helps us
understand
understand
clearly
clearly
what
what
happened,
happened,
why
why
it
it
happened,
happened,
and
and
how
how
it
it
happened. Do
happened.
you
Do you
follow?
follow?
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
what are
what
the
are the
three
three
things
things
or
or
three
three
elements that
elements
we
that we
look
look
for in
for
a
in a
story?
story?
Important
Important
elements?
elements?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna?
Anna?
Story title, main
No,
characters,
there's
There's
no
no
story
story
title.
title.
Three.
Three.
Okay,
Okay,
try
try
again.
story,
again.
main characters, setting, and the event. I,
Okay,
Okay,
that's
that's
right.
right.
So
So
characters,
characters,
setting,
setting,
and
and
events.
events.
Now,
Now,
for the
for the
events,
events,
we
we
could
could
also
also
um,
um,
arrange
arrange
them.
them.
We
We
could
could
also
also
arrange
arrange
events in
events in
order
order
how
of
they
how they
happen
happen
using the
using the
words
words
first,
first,
next,
next,
then,
then,
and
and
last
last
for
for
us
us
to
to
easily
easily
understand. So
understand
we
so
can
we can
use
use
these
these
words
words
to
to
identify
identify
which
which
comes
comes
first
first
and
and
so
so
on and
on
so
and so
forth,
forth,
right?
right?
So
So
let
let
us
us
review the
review the
sequence of
sequence
the
of the
story.
story.
So
So
first,
first,
the
the
ant
ant
worked
worked
hard and
hard and
stored
stored food
during
during
summer,
summer,
and
and
the
the
grasshoppers
grasshoppers
just
just
played and
played and
sang.
sang.
Next,
Next,
days
days
passed
passed
by,
by,
but the
but the
grasshoppers
grasshoppers
still
still
ignored the
ignored the
ant
ant
and
and
did
did
not
not
prepare.
prepare.
Then
Then
winter
winter
arrived.
arrived.
The
The
grasshopper
grasshopper
had
had
nothing to
nothing to
eat
eat
and
and
was
was
very
very
hungry.
hungry.
Last,
Last,
the
the
grasshopper
grasshopper
begged
begged
for
for
food.
food.
The
The
ant
ant
shared a
shared a
little
little
and
and
taught
taught
him
him
it
it
is
is
always
always
better
better
to
to
prepare. Okay,
prepare.
so
Okay,
do
so
you
do you
understand
understand
more
more?
using the
Using the
words? Did
words,
you
did you
understand the
understand the
story
story
more or the
more or the
sequence of
sequence of
events?
events?
Okay,
Okay,
it's good to
good to
know.
know.
So
So
now
now
it's
it's
activity
activity
time.
time.
So
So
let us
let us
apply what
apply
we
what we
have
have
learned
learned
in
in
through
through
a
a
group
group
activity.
activity.
So
So
before we
before
go
we
to
go
our
to our
group,
groups,
I
I
have a
have a
brand
brand
new
new
story for
story for
you.
you.
Are you
Are you
excited to
excited to
learn a
learn a
new
new
story?
story? To
Listen a
listen a
new
new
story?
story?
Let me
Let
see
me
your
see your
virtual
virtual
reaction if
reactions
you're
if you're
excited.
excited.
Any other
Any other
hand?
hand?
Okay,
Okay,
that's
that's good.
so
So
you
you
must
must
listen
listen
carefully
carefully
because
because
you will
you
be
will be
making
making
a
a
story
story
map
map
later
later
on.
on.
So you
So you
must
must listen carefully to me first, okay?
Okay, so
Okay, so
this
this
story
story
is
is
entitled
entitled The
Bea
Bea
and the
and the
Bayanihan
Bayanihan
Garden.
Garden.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
Bea
Bea
lived
lived
in
in
a
a
small
small
neighborhood
neighborhood
with a
with a
dusty,
dusty,
empty
empty
lot.
lot.
Okay,
Okay,
where does
where does
Bea
Bea
live?
live?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna?
Anna?
In a small neighborhood with a dusty, empty lot.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you
thank you
so
so
much,
much,
Anna.
Anna.
So,
So,
Bea
Bea
lived in a
lived in a
small
small
neighborhood with
neighborhood
a
with a
dusty and
dusty and
empty
empty
lot.
lot.
Now,
Now,
one
one
Saturday
Saturday
morning,
morning,
she
she
decided
decided
to
to
turn it
turn it
into
into
a
a
garden.
garden.
Okay,
Okay,
what
what
was
was
Bea
Bea
deciding?
deciding?
One
One
Saturday
Saturday
morning?
morning?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna
Anna
again.
again.
She decided to turn it into a garden.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
she
she
decided
decided
to
to
turn
turn
the
the
empty
empty
lot
lot
into
into
a
a
garden.
garden.
Now,
Now,
she
she
went to
went
her
to her
neighbor,
neighbor,
Mang
Mang
Tony,
Tony,
and
and
asked
asked
for
for
some
some
seeds.
seeds.
Okay,
Okay,
where
where
did
did
Bea
Bea
go?
go?
Yes,
Yes,
Selwyn.
Selwyn.
To Mang Tony's house.
Okay, to
Okay, to
Mang
Mang
Tony's
Tony's
house.
house.
What did
What
he
did he
do
do
there,
there,
Selwyn?
Selwyn?
Mang Tony ay Bea asked Mang Tony for some
For
seeds.
okay, so
So,
thank you
thank you
so
so
much,
much,
Selwyn. So
Selwyn. So,
Bea
Bea
asked
asked
Mang
Mang
Tony
Tony
for
for
some
some
seeds.
seeds.
Now,
Now,
Mang
Mang
Tony
Tony
smiled and
smiled and
said,
said,
"I
I
will
will
help
help
you
you
plant
plant
them."
them.
Okay,
Okay,
what did
what did
Mang
Mang
Tony
Tony
told
told
Bea
Bea
when he asked
when he
she asked
asked
for
for
seed?
seed?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna.
Anna.
I will help you plant them.
Okay,
Okay,
I
I
will
will
help
help
you
you
plant
plant
them. What
them.
a
What a
very
very
kind
kind
neighbor
neighbor
is
is
Mang
Mang
Tony.
Tony.
Soon,
Soon,
other
other
neighbors
neighbors
came
came
too.
too.
Nana
Nana
brought
brought
water,
water,
Carlo
Carlo
brought a
brought a
shovel,
shovel,
and
and
together
together
they
they
dug the
dug the
soil,
soil,
planted the
planted the
seeds,
seeds,
and
and
watered the
watered the
ground.
ground.
Okay,
Okay,
what
what
happened
happened
sooner?
sooner?
Who
Who
came
came
into
into
Bea's
Bea's
lot?
lot?
The,
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 yes,
yes,
Anna?
Anna?
The neighbors come
Okay, the
The
to her.
neighbors.
neighbors.
Who
Who
are
are
these
these
neighbors?
neighbors?
Nana and Carlo.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you
thank you
so
so
much,
much,
Anna.
Anna,
Nana
Nana,
and
and
Carlo.
Carlo.
Now,
Now,
what
what
happened
happened
next?
next?
What
What
did
did
they
they
do
do
together?
together?
Any
Any
hand?
hand?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna.
Anna.
They dug soil, planted seeds, and watered the ground.
That's
That's
right.
right,
Thank you,
thank you,
Anna.
Anna.
So
So
they
they
dig
dig
the
the
soil,
soil,
planted the
planted the
seeds,
seeds,
and
and
of
of
course
course
watered
watered
the
the
ground.
ground.
Now,
Now,
weeks
weeks
passed.
passed.
One
One
morning,
morning,
Bea
Bea
woke
woke
up
up
and
and
looked
looked
outside.
outside.
The
The
garden
garden
was
was
full
full
of
of
colorful
colorful
flowers
flowers
and
and
fresh
fresh
vegetables.
vegetables.
The
The
whole
whole
neighborhood
neighborhood
was
was
happy.
happy.
So,
So,
what
what
happened
happened
weeks
weeks
passed?
passed?
Bea
Bea
woke
woke
up
up
when.
when.
Okay,
Okay,
what
what
happened
happened
weeks
weeks
passed?
passed?
Yes,
Yes,
Elwin?
Elwin?
Uh, Bea woke up and looked outside. The garden was full of colorful flowers and fresh vegetables.
Alright,
Alright,
Bea
Bea
woke
woke
up
up
one
one
morning.
morning and then
He
he
saw
saw
that
that
the
the
gardens
gardens
was
was
blooming
blooming
with
with
flowers
flowers
and
and
fresh
fresh
vegetables.
vegetables.
So
So
what
what
did
did
Bea
Bea
and
and
the
the
whole
whole
neighborhood
neighborhood
felt?
felt?
Any
Any
hand?
hand?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna?
Anna?
The whole neighborhood was happy.
Okay,
Okay,
the
the
whole
whole neighborhood was
happy.
happy.
Now,
Now,
last
last
thing,
thing,
Bea
Bea
smiled
smiled
and
and
said,
said,
when
when
we
we
work
work
together,
together,
good
good
things
things
grow.
grow.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
what
what
did
did
Bea
Bea
realized
realized
or
or
learned
learned
throughout
throughout
the
the
helping of
helping
the
of the
neighborhood?
neighborhood?
Yes,
Yes,
Selwyn?
Selwyn?
Bea realized that if they work together, the good things will grow.
That's
That's
right.
right.
So
So
when
when
we
we
help
help
each
each
other,
other,
when
when
we
we
work
work
together,
together,
good
good
things
things
grow
grow
or
or
good
good
things
things
happen.
happen.
Okay,
Okay,
can
can
you
you
give
give
yourselves
yourselves
a
a
virtual
virtual
applause,
applause,
everyone?
everyone?
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
is it
is
a
it a
beautiful
beautiful
story?
story?
Do
Do
you
you
agree
agree
that
that
it
it
is
is
a
a
beautiful
beautiful
story?
story?
Okay,
Okay,
now
now
let
let
us
us
work
work
together
together
just
just
like
like
Bea
Bea
and
and
her
her
neighbors.
neighbors.
So
So
now
now
I
I
am
am
dividing
dividing
you
you
into
into
two
two
groups.
groups.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
each
each
group
group
will
will
go
go
to
to
their
their
breakout
breakout
room
room
and
and
work
work
together
together
on
on
a
a
story
story
map.
map.
Okay,
Okay,
so do
so do
you
you
see
see
the
the
story
story
map
map
on
on
your
your
screen?
screen?
Okay,
Okay,
can I
can I
get
get
some
some
virtual
virtual
reactions?
reactions?
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
that
that
is
is
the
the
story
story
map
map
that
that
you
you
will
will
fill
fill
in
in
using
using
the
the
Canva
Canva
app.
app.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
I
I
will
will
be
be
pasting
pasting
your
your
breakout
breakout
room
room
links
links
and
and
your
your
Canva
Canva
links
links
for
for
you
you
to
to
make
make
your
your
story
story
map.
map.
Okay,
Okay,
can you
can you
see
see
the
the links on the chat box already? Can I get some reactions? Okay, so here is what your group needs to fill in on your Canva story map. So here, let us read here on the bottom part. So there are 7 boxes. For box 1, you are to fill in the characters and answer the question, who is in the story? For box 2, it is where and when the story take place. For box 3, 4, 5, and 6, it is where the sequence of events or what happened, what important details and events happened in the story. And for box 7, you are to put what lesson did you learn from the story. Okay, so you must go. Again, you must go to your breakout rooms. You must leave this meeting and go to your own rooms. And you have 5 minutes to answer only. Okay, how many minutes did I give you to complete the story map? 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Okay, do you agree with this? Is 5 minutes okay with you?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So you must work together and help your group mates, okay? Collaborate with each other. And after completing the story map, you must choose one representative and prepare to present your beautiful story map group work to the class. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready, everyone? Can I get some virtual reactions? Anyone? Okay, that's good. So again, this is your bayanihan moment. So just like Bea and her neighbors help each other and work together, you must work together as well. Okay? It's because when you work together, good things grow and good things happen. Okay, see you later, everyone. Go on to your breakout rooms now.
Hello,
Hello,
everyone.
everyone.
How
How
are
are
you
you
doing?
doing?
Are
Are
you
you
good,
good,
Anna?
Anna?
How is
How is
everyone
everyone
doing?
doing?
Fine, teacher. We're working together so that it will be fast.
That's
That's
good.
good.
We have
We have
only
only
few
few
minutes
minutes
left.
left.
Just
Just
please
please
tell me
tell
if
me
you
if
are
you are
done,
done,
okay?
okay?
And
And
go
go
back
back
to
to
our
our
very
very
own
own
virtual
virtual
classroom.
classroom.
Okay?
Okay?
We are done, teacher. That's called teamwork.
Okay,
Okay,
that's
that's
good.
good.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
let's
go
go
back to
back to
our
our
virtual
virtual
classroom.
classroom.
See
See
you.
you.
Hello, teacher.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
hello and
hello and
welcome back,
welcome back,
everyone.
everyone. I
I am
am
very
very
proud of the
proud of the
collaboration I
collaboration
saw
I
in your
saw in
breakout
your
room.
breakout
So
room. So
everyone is
everyone
working
is working
something, right?
something, right?
And
And
each of
each
you
of you
work
work
together
together
beautifully.
beautifully.
Now it's time
Now
to
it's time to
share your
share your
maps.
maps.
And
And
each
each
group,
group,
please choose
please
one
choose one
presenter or
presenter or
representative.
representative.
And also
And
share
also
your
share your screen.
okay, great.
Okay, great.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Selwyn. You may
Selwyn. You may
now
now
present your
present your
story.
story map.
So we are group one. Members are Ana, Hernan, and Selwyn Pamaybay. The story title is Bea and the Bayanihan Garden. The main characters are Bea, Mang Tony, Nena, Carlo, and other neighbors. The setting is small neighborhood, empty lot over several weeks. The first part of the story is Bea decided to turn an empty lot into a garden. Next, she asks Mang Tony for seeds and Mang Tony helps her. Then, neighbors join and work together to plant and water the garden. Last part is after weeks, the garden grows and with flowers and vegetables, making everyone happy. Values learned. Working together helps achieve good things and brings happiness to the community.
Okay, let's
Okay,
give
let's
them
give
Anna
them
and
Anna
Selwyn
and
a
Selwyn a
virtual
virtual
applause,
applause,
especially
especially
Selwyn. Thank you so
Selwyn. Thank
much
you so
for
much for
representing your
representing your
group.
group.
Okay, very
Very
well. Thank
well.
you so
Thank you so
much, Group
much, Group
One.
One.
Wonderful
Wonderful
work
work
from
from
you.
you.
So,
So,
from the
from the
story,
story,
thank you
thank you
so
so
much
much
for
for
sharing
sharing
your
your
story
story
map,
map,
which
which
are
are
very
very
detailed,
detailed,
and
and
I
I
really
really
understood.
understood.
I
I
can
can
really
really
see
see
that
that
you
you
understood the
understood the
story.
story.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
from the
from the
story,
story,
we
we
must
must
remember
remember
that
that
just
just
like
like
Bea
Bea
and
and
her
her
neighbors
neighbors
showed
showed
us,
us,
when we
when we
work
work
together,
together,
good
good
things
things
really
truly
grow.
grow.
So
So
that's
that's
what
what
happened
happened
in
in
your
your
group
group
activity,
activity,
right?
right?
You
You
help
help
each
each
other.
other.
Okay,
Okay,
that's
that's
good,
good,
everyone.
everyone.
So
So
that's
that's
the
the
spirit,
spirit,
and
and you
you all
all
showed
showed
it
it
today.
today.
So
So
before
before
we
we
wrap
wrap
up
up
our
our
lesson,
lesson,
let
let
me
me
ask
ask
you
you
some
some
or
or
final
final
few
few
questions.
questions.
Okay,
Okay,
are
are
you
you
ready?
ready?
Did you
Did you
learn
learn
something?
something?
Did you
Did you
enjoy the
enjoy the
activity?
activity?
Okay,
Okay,
that's
that's
great.
great.
Those are
Those are
great
great
responses.
responses.
Okay,
Okay.
so
So
now
now,
for the
for the
first
first
question to
question to
check your
check your
understanding,
understanding,
what are
what
the
are the
three
three
important
important
elements we
elements we
look
look
for
for
in a
in a
story?
story?
Any
Any
hand?
hand?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna.
Anna.
The characters, setting, and the events.
Okay,
Okay,
the
the
characters,
characters,
setting,
setting,
and
and
events.
events.
Let us
Let us
check.
check.
That's
That's
right.
right.
Characters,
Characters,
setting,
setting,
and
and
events
events
are
are
the
the
three
three
important
important
elements we
elements we
look
look
for in
for
a
in a
story. Can
story.
we
Can
give
we give
Anna a
Anna a
virtual
virtual
applause?
applause?
Okay,
Okay,
now
now
for the
for the
second
second
question.
question.
What
What
words
words
do we
do we
use to
use to
tell
tell
the
the
order
order
of
of
events in
events
a
in a
story? So
story?
for
So
us
for
to
us to
understand, what
understand, what
words
words
do we
do we
use?
use?
Yes,
Yes,
Alwin?
Alwin?
First, next, then last.
Okay,
Okay,
let
let
us
us
check
check
if
if
you
you
didn't
didn't
miss.
miss.
Okay,
Okay,
first,
first,
next,
next,
then
then
and
and
last.
last.
Okay,
Okay,
let's
let's
give
give
us
a
Selwyn
Selwyn
a
a
virtual
virtual
applause.
applause.
So
So
these
these
are
are
the
the
words
words
that
that
we
we
use to
use to
tell the
tell the
order of
order of
events in
events
a
in a
story
story
for
for
us to
us to
easily
easily
understand.
understand it.
Third
Third question.
Why
Why
is it
is it
important to
important to
know
know
the
the
sequence of
sequence of
events in
events
a
in a
story?
story?
Any
Any
hand?
hand?
So why
So
is
why
it
is it
important to
important to
know the
know the
sequence of
sequence of
events in
events
a
in a
story?
story?
Yes,
Yes,
Alwin?
Alwin?
To understand the story better, to know the lesson properly.
Okay,
Okay,
to
to
help
help
us
us
understand
understand
clearly
clearly
what
what
happened,
happened,
why it
why it
happened,
happened,
and
and
how
how
it
it
happened.
happened.
That's
That's
also a
also a
great
great
answer,
answer,
Selwyn. Can
Selwyn.
we
Can
give
we give
Selwyn a
Selwyn a
virtual
virtual
applause?
applause?
Now
Now,
for the
for the
next
next
question.
question.
What
What
value
value
did we
did we
learn
learn
from
from
the
the
ant and
ant
the
and the
grasshopper
grasshopper
story?
story?
Yes,
Yes,
Selwyn?
Selwyn?
We learned that we should work hard for our future, not be lazy.
Okay,
Okay,
let
let
us
us
check.
check.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so,
based on
based on
Selwyn's
Selwyn's
answer
answer
and
and
also
also
for our
for our
final
final
answer,
answer,
we
we
must
must
work
work
hard
hard
and
and
be
be
responsible, and
responsible
we
and we
should
should
prepare
prepare
for the
for the
future.
future.
We
We
shouldn't be
shouldn't be
lazy,
lazy,
just
just
like
like
Selwyn
Selwyn
said.
said.
So
So
let's
let's
not
not
waste
waste
time
time
and
and
prepare.
prepare.
Okay,
Okay,
let us
let us
give
give
Selwyn a
Selwyn a
virtual
virtual
applause.
applause.
Now
Now,
for the
for the
last
last
question.
question.
What
What
value did
value
we
did we
learn
learn
from
from
Bea
Bea
and the
and the
Bayanihan
Bayanihan
Gardens
Gardens
story?
story?
Yes,
Yes,
Anna?
Anna?
The lesson is that teamwork or bayanihan helps things grow.
Okay,
Okay,
let us
let us
see.
see.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
when we
when we
work
work
together
together
and
and
help
help
one
one
another, we
another, we
can
can
achieve
achieve
great
great
things,
things,
or
or
there
there
are
are
beautiful
beautiful
things that
things
could
that could
grow.
grow.
So
So
when we
when we
help
help
each
each
other. Thank
other,
you
thank
so
you
much,
so much,
Anna.
Anna.
Let's
Let's
give
give
Anna a
Anna a
virtual
virtual
applause.
applause.
Okay,
Okay,
beautiful
beautiful
answers,
answers,
class.
class.
Can you
Can you
give
give
yourselves
yourselves
once
once
again a
again a
virtual
virtual
applause for
applause for
doing
doing
so
so
well?
well?
Okay, I
Okay,
am
I am
very
very
proud of
proud of
each
each
one of
one of
you.
you.
So
So
you
you
listened
listened
really
really
well
well
and
and
participated
participated
bravely in
bravely
our
in our
class. So
class. So
even
even that,
even though
even though
you
you
are
are still shy a little bit, so you participated and you listen well to our story, and you help each other as well, especially in our activity. That is very good. Okay?
So
So
now,
now,
for
for
our
our
last
last
thing
thing
to
to
do,
do,
we
we
will
will
answer
answer
a
a
short
short
quiz.
quiz.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
you will
you
be
will be
answering
answering
in
in
a
a
Google
Google
Forms
Forms
link.
link.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
this
this
is
is
a
a
five
five
item
item
test.
test.
This
This
is
is
about the
about the
stories that
stories
we
that
read
we read
earlier, the
earlier, the
Anthony
Anthony
Grasper
Grasper
and the
and the
Bea
Bea
and
and
the
the
Bayanihan
Bayanihan
Garden.
Garden.
Okay,
Okay?
so for
So for
instructions, you
instructions,
must
you must
answer
answer
carefully
carefully
and
and
submit when
submit
you
when
are
you are
done.
done.
Okay, you
Okay, you
have
have
5 minutes
five
to
minutes to
answer.
answer.
Any
Any
questions?
questions?
Any
Any
questions? Can
questions?
I
Can I
receive
receive
thumbs
thumbs
down if
down
you
if
don't
you
have
don't
any
have any
questions?
questions?
Okay,
Okay,
I
I
think that
think that
you are
you are
very
very
ready
ready
to
to
apply what
apply
you
what
have
you have
learned.
learned for today.
Okay,
Okay?
can you hear me
Can you
now?
me now?
Start
Start
answering.
answering.
Please
Please
raise your
raise
hand
your
if
hand
you
if
are
you are
done
done
answering.
answering.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, so
Okay, so
please
please
raise your
raise your
hand if
hand
you're
if you're
done
done
answering.
answering.
Oh,
Oh,
I'm
I'm
so
so
sorry
sorry
for
for
that.
that.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much
so
for
much for
asking.
asking.
Okay, there
Okay,
you
here you
go. You
go.
may
You
now
may now
start
start
answering. I'm
answering. I'm
sorry
sorry
for
for
that.
that.
Okay,
Okay,
raise your
raise your
hands if
hands if
you're
you're
done.
done.
Okay,
Okay,
Selwyn is
Selwyn is
done.
done.
Okay, I
Okay, I
can
can
see
see
some
some
responses
responses
now
now
in
in
our
our
quiz.
quiz.
And
And
I
I
bet
bet
you
you
already
already
have
have
your
your
scores.
scores.
Do you
Do you
already
already
see
see
your
your
scores?
scores?
Can I
Can I
get
get
some
some
virtual
virtual
reactions?
reactions?
Did you
Did you
get
get
good
good
scores?
scores?
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
I
I
really
really
think
think
that
that
you
you
really
really
understood
understood
our
our
lesson
lesson
today,
today,
and I
and I
am
am
so
so
proud of
proud of
each
each
one
one
of
of
you.
you.
So,
So,
give
give
yourselves a
yourselves a
virtual
virtual
applause
applause
once
once
again.
again.
And
And
that
that
brings
brings
us
us
to
to
the
the
end of
end of
our
our
lesson
lesson
today.
today.
Okay,
Okay,
so do
so
you
do you
have
have
any
any
questions?
questions?
Do you
Do
have
you have
any
any
questions,
questions,
everyone?
everyone?
No?
No?
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
thank you
thank you
so
so
much
much
for a
for a
wonderful
wonderful
class
class
today.
today.
You are
You are
such an
such an
amazing
amazing
learners,
learners,
and I'm
and I'm
very
very
proud of
proud of
you
you
for
for
all of
all of
you.
you.
So
So
remember,
remember,
just
just
like
like
the
the
ant, we
ant, we
must
must
work
work
hard,
hard,
prepare, and
prepare,
be
and be
kind.
kind.
And
And
just
just
like
like
Bea,
Bea,
we
we
must
must
work
work
together
together
with
with
everyone
everyone
around
around
us.
us.
Because when
Because
we
when we
help
help
each
each
other,
other,
good
good
things
things
grow
grow
or
or
good
good
things
things
happen.
happen.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
see you
see you
next
next
time.
time.
God
God
bless
bless
you
you
all,
all,
and
and
goodbye,
goodbye,
class.
class.
Goodbye,
Goodbye,
teacher.
teacher.
Thank
Bye.
you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.